So you hear a lot of vendors, IT vendors, who focus on the retail industry talking about an end-to-end solution. And the question often comes up, what is an end-to-end solution in retail? Well, to us, it's a solution that's completely connected across the entire enterprise. And that means the solution that you leverage for ERP, for supply chain management, inventory management, store management, is completely connected to the application that you're running at the store to interface with the customer, to capture transactions, to build loyalty with your customers. The problem with many solutions available in the market today is that there's an end and there's another end, but there's nothing in the middle. You also hear people say there's an app for this and there's an app for that. The reason so many vendors today focus on separate point applications, the reason so many focus on emerging technologies, is because they've forgotten to address the basics. How do you allow a retailer to have complete visibility of everything going on within the organization in real time, starting at the store and then moving throughout the headquarters, allowing you to essentially manage your business in a very powerful way. So when we think of end-to-end, Microsoft with Dynamics AX for Retail is uniquely offering to the market a solution that out of the box connects ERP, retail headquarters, merchandising, and point of sale. We start with a powerful enterprise class ERP solution in Dynamics AX. We then add to that merchandising functionality, store management, pricing, discounting, but then we take it a step further. We have a purpose-built point of sale, and when we say purpose-built, the data model is the same, the business rules are the same, which means everything happening at the store is completely mapped and controlled from the back office. Now this is unique in the marketplace, and you won't find this with other vendors. Just as a simple example, you can update the user interface of your point of sale application from the back office Dynamics AX. You can control hardware profiles. Hardware is such a critical part of the retail experience. Other solutions don't allow you to have that centralized control of the user interface, of the hardware profile, whereas we do. And again, that's because the point of sale was built from the ground up, thinking of the back office, having that in mind. So end-to-end for us is out-of-the-box integration, reducing the complexity that typically comes with most solutions that customers have to choose from. Other vendors in the marketplace have acquired a point of sale, they've acquired different technologies, but none of these were built to work together. So you have good point solutions that don't work as an integrated experience. This adds cost, this adds complexity, the total cost of ownership goes up. You often hear vendors talk about best practices, which oftentimes is another way of saying our very complicated software can't change, so it has to be a best practice because your business must adapt to the way our software operates. Microsoft has a very different philosophy, a very different approach. We want businesses to be dynamic. We want them to be able to change to ever-changing requirements. We want them to be very flexible. And we do that by building an architecture that allows the software to adapt to your business requirements. Very extensible solutions. Functionality can be added. You can move from version to version with minimal impact to your business. And again, that's how retailers become successful, when they can be proactive in how they address market concerns and not be reactive. When over a 5 to 7 year period, they know that their total cost of maintaining a solution is going to be significantly lower, so they can invest their dollars in customer loyalty and relationship building as opposed to ongoing maintenance of a very sophisticated, complicated IT solution.